rocking chair has been chewing up the hardwood floors it's been sitting on. So I'm going to do something about that. The first thing is to check if you've got a lot of glazing where it's kind of cruddy on the bottom, the tape isn't going to stick because I'm going to put tape on the bottom of this stuff. So take a cabinet scraper and just go over the surface and scrape off the crud, because it's going to be a stupid repair if you end up having to do it again and again because there's stuff that gucks up on the bottom of the rockers. Then take some duct tape or cloth tape, whatever you've got, and run it along the bottoms of the rockers like so. And then make sure it's adhering really well. And then take a razor blade, I happen to have this one in a holder, and trim the tape so that it doesn't show to the person who might be sitting in the room with you looking at your nice rocking chair. But it's there and it's protecting the floors.
We've come to that part of the show where I like to ask probing questions like, where did the years go and why is my left arm numb? If my repairs have gone well, I celebrate with the repair babe's lucky beverage, beer. If things have not gone well, I drink something more humbling. Prune juice is good. But on a day when things have gone particularly badly, I seek solace in water. Because science has recently shown that human brains need to be well hydrated to perform quickly in complex situations. In fact, our brains are swathed in fluid that speeds transmission of neural responses between different sections of the brain. So if your repair is going very badly, don't blame yourself or give up. You may simply be dehydrated. So if you drink more water, not only is your skin going to improve, so you're going to look good, but now we know you'll also think faster, and both factors are critical to home repair, although looking good is definitely the priority here. Until next time on A Repair to Remember, I'm Mag Ruffman.